Well, let's go to Utah's Capitol Hill to talk about issues being discussed there today. One is a bill that would expand what can be used in investigations.
It's tied to the 2010 murder case, which was the suspect wasn't tried for years later. And now lawmakers are hoping to expand the use of DNA and genealogy in similar cases. We've got news specialist Kara Bracken, who's been listening in and joins us with more on this bill. Kara.
Hi, well, that SB 156 was heard today. It's better known as the Sherry Black bill. It was presented in committee not too long ago, just wrapped up. And from there, it's going to be heard again later. But here's what it does. So basically, it's going to establish requirements for law enforcement to have to follow certain requirements as far as before tapping into any kind of DNA testing that's turned into a genetic pool.
Speaking today in favor of the bill, Heidi Miller, daughter of Sherry Black, who was murdered back in 2010 in her small bookstore in South Salt Lake. For years, Miller says there was a period of time when their family felt like law enforcement had exhausted all resources in solving the case. 10 years later, Miller says it's thanks to genealogy testing used as an investigative tool that her mom's case was solved.
You never get your loved one back. There's a piece that comes with a case being solved that makes it easier to go on.
Speaking against the bill, Whit Cook with Utah Eagle Forum, who says knowing a genealogy test could be used by law enforcement may deter people from wanting to take these tests moving forward.
The balance between privacy and trying to find a perpetrator is overstepped at this point. When it comes to trying to balance the two, we'd like to see error on the side of privacy.
Now, I want to note here that as genealogy testing stands right now, if an investigative purpose is met, from there they do have to give consent. So a person has to say yes or no before an investigative use can be made. Now, again, this has not made its way out of committee. It's going to be back in committee come Monday, where things will be moving forward with public comment. Now they're reporting live. I'm Kara Bracken. I'll send it back to you.
All right, Kara, thank you for the update there.